Today we learn a lot of and lots of. These are special words we use with positive sentences. They work with both countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count like books or apples. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count like water or rice. Countable nouns can be counted. They have plural forms. We use numbers with them like 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They have no plural forms. We use words like some, much, or a little with them. For countable nouns in positive sentences, we use many, some, a few, several. A lot of and lots of also work. For uncountable nouns, we use much, some, a little, plenty of. A lot of and lots of work here too. Both types use some and a lot of or lots of. Listen to these examples. I have many friends at school. We need some help today. She has a few apples in her bag. They brought several games for the party. There is a lot of rain this month. We have enough chairs for everyone. A lot of and lots of have the same meaning. Both mean a large amount. They work with both countable and uncountable nouns. They are used in positive sentences. They sound informal and natural in spoken English. You can use either one. For countable nouns in positive sentences, many means a large number. Some means an unspecified amount. A few means a small number but positive. Several means more than 2 or 3 but not many. Each word shows a different amount. For uncountable nouns, much means a large amount. Some means an unspecified amount. A little means a small amount but positive. Plenty of means more than enough. Each quantifier shows a different size of amount. This table shows which quantifiers go with which nouns. Many, a few, several go only with countable nouns. Much, a little, plenty of go only with uncountable nouns. A lot of some, lots of work with both types of nouns. Now practice filling in the blanks. First sentence, I have blank books on my shelf. Choose many or much. Second, there is blank water in the bottle. Choose a little or a few. Third, she bought blank apples yesterday. Choose lots of or much. Keep practicing these patterns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.